Assalamualaikum. Welcome to see my online class. Dear students, how are you? I hope all of you are fine. Today I will discuss one creative question of chapter 5 of your textbook of class 8. Look at, I have written the creative question P equal a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b divided by a plus b whole square minus 4ab, and q equal a minus b whole square plus 4ab divided by a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b are two algebraic fractions. Here they have said in question number A, resolve into factors x to the power 4 plus x square plus 1, and in question number B they have said simplify a by a minus b into p divided by q, and finally in the question number C they have said prove that 1 by p minus q into a square minus b square is equal to 2 b. Now at first we will do the question number A. Look at x to the power 4 plus x square plus 1. At first we will apply the formula a square a plus b whole square. If we apply the formula a plus b whole square, then we can write 2 into x square into 1. Here look at, if we resolve x to the power 4 x square whole square plus 2 into x square into 1 plus 1 square. Here look at, the x square whole square is x to the power 4 and 1 square is equal to 1, but 2x square into 1 equal to 2x square. In the question there is only x square, so you can subtract that x square. Now you can apply the formula a plus b whole square, so you can write a plus b whole square and then you can write x square. Dear students, now look at, we can apply the formula a square minus b square. Here a is x square plus 1 and b is x, so you can apply the a square minus b square, so we can write a plus b into a minus b, and we can arrange it x square plus x plus 1 into x square minus x plus 1. Dear students, look at, I have finished the question number A, and resolve from is x square plus x plus 1 into x square minus x plus 1. Now we will do the question number B. Look at question number B, simplify a by a minus b into p divided by q. At first we will find the value of p and q. Look at number B. Here p equal a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b divided by a plus b whole square minus 4ab, and q equal a minus b whole square plus 4ab divided by a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Now we will do, now p equal a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b divided by a plus b whole square minus 4ab. Dear students, look at, we can apply the corollary a minus b whole cube in the numerator, and in the denominator we can apply the a minus b whole square. So you can write here a minus b whole cube, and you can write here a minus b whole square. Now you can resolve it, so you can write a minus b, a minus b, a minus b, and then in denominator you can write a minus b into a minus b. Here look at, we can divide a minus b and a minus b. Here a minus b and a minus b, they are only, we can write a minus b. Same way we can simplify q. Again q equal a minus b whole square plus 4ab divided by a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Dear students, look at, in the numerator we can apply the corollary a plus b whole square, and the denominator we can apply the corollary a plus b whole cube. So you can write here a plus b whole square, and then you can write here a plus b whole cube. Now you can write this by resolving a plus b into a plus b, and in the denominator you can write a plus b into a plus b into a plus b. Dear students, look at how we can divide a plus b and a plus b. So you can write a plus b divide a plus b and a plus b a plus b. Here look at, there is only one is a numerator, and in the denominator we can write a plus b. So you can write here 1 by a plus b. Dear students, I hope you have understood the value of p and q easily. Now we can simplify the whole part. Given expression you can write given expression a by a minus b, a by a minus b into p divide q. Now you can put the value of p and q. So you can write here a by a minus b multiply. We have found the value of p is a minus b. So you can write here in second bracket a minus b divide, and the value of q is 1 by a plus b, 1 by a plus b. Now we can write here a by a minus b multiply. Here look at the two terms are present. Here is the division sign is present. If we multiply it, then we can write the next fraction, its opposite fraction. So you can write here a minus b multiply, you can write a plus b divided by 1. Now you can multiply it a by a minus b multiply here a minus b into a plus b. So you can write here a minus b into a plus b. So you can divide a minus b and a minus b, a minus b and a minus b, you can divide it. So you can write here a into a plus b. This is the simplification form or the result of this of the question B. Now we will do the question number C. In question number C they have said prove that 1 by p minus q into a square minus b square is equal to 2b. Here look at, we have found the value of p and q. The value of p is a minus b and q is 1 by a plus b. If we put the value of p and q in the left hand side of the question B and then calculate, we will find the value is 2b. So it will be the same, it will be the same right hand side. C number. From B we get p equal, you have already found p equal to a minus b and q equal 1 by a plus b. Now we can write left hand side equal 1 by p minus q into a square minus b square minus b square. Now you can put the value of p. So you can write 1 by a minus b. You can use the second bracket here minus q is 1 by a plus b, and here you can write a square minus b square, a square minus b square. Here you can do the LCM. A plus b into a minus b is the LCM. If we divide the LCM by a minus b, you can get a plus b, and then you can write here a plus b minus. Here look at, if you divide a plus b into a minus b by a plus b, you can get a minus b, and then if we multiply it minus, then you can get minus a plus b, because here the minus sign is present. So you can write here a square minus b square. Now you can apply the formula a plus b into a minus b. You can write here a square minus b square. Here look at, plus and minus a is subtracted, and you can write only 2b. We do not use second bracket because the here is only one term. So you can use the multiply sign. and here you can write a square minus b square. Dear students, look at, we can divide a square minus b square by a square minus b square, so a square minus b square is divided by a square minus b square, and then you can write only 2b. Therefore, here look at, this is the same of right hand side, so you can write here left hand side equal right hand side, left hand side equal right hand side. In the question they have said prove that, so you can write here proved. My dear students, I hope you will do it again and again, and you will see it again and again. No more today. Stay home and stay safe. Allah Hafiz.